Welcome to Suffix Tree ERP for cement manufacturing demo. It has options for multi-company, multi-plant, multi-locations. It is fully comply with SIN country India version for ModVat and VAT. It covers domestic, import and export trading. It covers functional modules like sales, purchase, production, plant maintenance, HR, payroll, and finance. Sales management. Sales masters. These are the sales masters available. Check postmaster, agent, customer data, project master, package master, dealer discount, then road rate, rake rate, transportation rate, commission rate, incentive master, rebate master, agent, handling rate. And sale transaction, money receipt, settle invoice, tax exemption, sales proforma, sales order, delivery order, challan, sales invoice, MR offset, short close, sales order short close, money refund, commission, incentive, dealer discount, rebate, sales return, LC, annual budget, inquiry, sales invoice accounting, transportation handling bill, customer payments. And sale to be done, customer payment, debit note, credit note, dispatch indent, direct sale, money received, source master, ranking, annual budget. And various sales reports. These are the various sales reports. Purchase management, purchase masters, vendor master, item master, purchase transaction, purchase quotation, purchase inquiry process, then petty cash purchase, proposal for placement of order, purchase order, handover challan, rate contract amendment, PO amendment, proxy handover challan, direct purchase. Purchase reports, we have various reports for the purchase. Purchase service and repair, purchase service transaction and purchase service reports and regularization of handover challan. Inventory master is there, then inventory receipts issue, then inventory receivables, item transfer sales, invoice report. Various inventory reports are available. Production, we have got production masters, production item relation, RM receipts master, production line, then production transaction, incoming material, material receipt, stocker accounting, consumption entry, raw material apportion, gate pass entry, outgoing material, consumption entry for dispatch quantity, dispatch quota, metrological reading, packing material consumption entry, challan for miscellaneous items, plant performance entry, material gate pass, production entry. Then various production reports are available. Then inspection, analysis master, cement test is available, other tests are available, payment is available. And stock transfers, stock transfer requisition, stock transfer receipt, stock return, stock transfer reports are available. Plant maintenance masters, unit master, mission master, activity master, mission group master, party master, electricity type, plant maintenance dashboard. PM transactions, various transactions available for plant maintenance. Then plant maintenance report is available for various activities. Payroll, HR and payroll management is there, personal information system, then payroll management, then administration, then yearly process, then personal information system reports are available. Finance management, we have the general ledger, monthly accounting, accounts receivable, sales journal credit note, accounts payable, purchase journal debit note, then payment process, supplier payment, budget, budget group, budget master, budget, budget list, budget versus actual. Then asset management, transaction, approval and depreciation, shares accounting system, other transactions, various other transactions, other reports are available, supporting reports, then costing, financial statements for trial balance, balance sheet schedule, profit and loss statement, profit and loss schedule. Thank you for the demo. For inquiry, please contact info@suffixtree.com.